There are four main reasons to carry life insurance. Those are to replace your income, to cover your funeral expenses, to leave a legacy for your family, or to cover any outstanding debt, like a mortgage or medical bills. When thinking about funeral expenses, we know that the average cost for standard selections in the state of Illinois is over $16,000. If you don't already have a plan for that expense, we recommend looking at final expense life insurance. This ensures that your family would not end up responsible for that cost. Secondly, we often come across individuals who have an older life insurance policy with cash value. Those older policies were built on projections. 20 years ago, interest rates were much better than they are today. We know that the interest rates today are far lower than they once were, and those older policies didn't perform the way they were projected. Because these policies are losing value, we can take the cash that has accumulated in the policy and transfer it to a new one. Finally, there are now life insurance options that also help you prepare for the cost of long-term care expenses. These options allow you to access the money for nursing home care, and if you don't need it, it gets passed on to your beneficiaries. Whether you already have life insurance or you know you need it, we'd love to help you improve your current situation. We have dozens of life insurance companies to choose from, helping you save time and money. Ask your agent about what life insurance options might best suit you and your needs.